Alright guys, so we're going to start the 2022 deck armor season with 3 deck systems. This is one of them. We're overlooking Mt Airy here in Cincinnati, Ohio. This is a deck system that, for the most part and for the large part for Kong, it's going to be a resurfacing event. Older, mid-aged backyard deck that has some sun damage, needs to get caught up on maintenance a little bit. Here in a second you'll see when it zooms down there's some extremely weathered boards. The drone's getting ready to show you these extremely weathered boards. Some of these we're going to take out, and other ones we'll be able to encapsulate and resurface with the thick build Kong armor. But we're getting ready to come in here, wash this deck system really well, use our restoration skills, use our repair skills, set down loose nails, screws, add braces to some of these loose rails, replace some rotten boards. Then from there we'll come in with the Kong system and we'll do lockdown encapsulation on this Cincinnati, Ohio deck in the neighborhood of Mt Airy. Stand by for lockdown.